Hi guys! Good morning! It is Sunday today and yan, hindi pa ako naliligo. Now, si hubby, he just went out. Iwo-walk niya si Icy before pa umulan kasi parang medyo cloudy today. Gloomy, yeah? So, yun. Iwo-walk muna niya si Icy and then ako naman, I'm gonna go bake his cake! Ayan, papakita sa inyo. May nakita ko online na I will quickly show you. Ito. Sa prettyfluffy.com na website. And then, meron siyang ingredient na for cake. Look at that cake, oh. Ang cute-cute, diba? So, I wanna try and make that. So, tingnan natin kung magagaya ko siya. Mini berry almond cake. So, ayan, may ingredients and all that. So, I bought the ingredients na. And, magbe-bake ako. Wee. First time ko actually mag-bake. I've never baked, like, yung ako lang before. Kasi sa school before, tinuruan naman kami, but then, baking wasn't really something na naging sobrang interesado ako. I was more into service, kasi diba, hotel restaurant management ako. And yun, so mostly sa service ako na nagpa-practice and all that. So not that much a kitchen. So there. So now, ito, these are the ingredients. Ayan. Ayan, no, 17 degrees today. So, I have everything I need here. Yung mga bowl, ganyan, pang-mix. Kasi I don't have a mixer. Nakalagay dun sa instruction, parang ilagay daw lahat sa blender. Actually, I have a blender. Yan. And then, may ganito, measurement cup. Tapos, eggs. I have almond flour. I have honey. Yan. Tapos, ito yung coconut oil daw to wet yung pan. Itong dalawa. Dalawa yung binili ko para at least magkapatong siya. Small lang. Tapos, actually, I don't have strawberry yet. So, I'm gonna buy late. And then, itong dalawa yung what do you call that? Yung, ano niya? Yung parang icing niya. So, Greek yogurt na sobrang plain lang. Tapos, this one, like a peanut butter. Natural peanut butter. Yan. So, yun. I hope he likes it. Yan. And then, I also, pakita ko rin sa inyo, I also bought him ito. So, may gift siya from me. And then, si hubby, he ordered a new staircase para dun sa room namin. Pero, hindi pa dumadating kasi in-order niya parang last week lang. So, it might take another week for it to arrive. So, yun, mas sturdy na yung staircase na yun. Kasi, mas parang wider siya. Tapos, made of wood pa siya. Tapos, yun. Pakita ko nyo lang sa inyo once na dumating na siya. And then, yun, I have yung pang para sa cake niya. And then, ito, lalagay ko dyan sa living room later. Tapos, may balloon din na dalawa. It's his 7th birthday. Kaya I really, really wanna celebrate it. Kasi, like last year, and yung mga ibang years, sobrang, I wasn't really able to super celebrate it with him. Especially last year, diba, nung birthday niya, nandun siya sa quarantine. So, yun. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and bake. Done baking the cake. Ito na siya. Tadaan! Medyo shaky kasi naubusan ng memory yung ano ko. yung aking camera. So, I'm using my cell phone. Ayan. Nice, diba? Hi, guys! Ayan si birthday boy! Ay, come on! Come on! Show them! Yan, nakabihis na siya. Pinaliguan ko na rin siya and all. So, ako rin naligo na ako. And I'm still wearing this shirt kasi kagabi ko lang naman to sinuot. So, and I am not going anywhere. This is what it says on my shirt. Ayan, ang cute-cute niya, diba? Ayan siya. Parang, Dogo Club. Ayan, tapos puro mga dogs. Ang cute. So, cotton on ko lang ito nakuha. Nakuha talaga eh. Nabili. So, it's on sale for $5. And then, I'm just wearing these PJs. Ayan. PJs from Kmart. Ayan. I ship po. Do you? Hi. Hi, everyone. Can you say hi, everyone? Ganyan lang siya. Yan siya pag ayaw niya akong gumawa ng stuff sa desk ko. Iba-block lang niya. Kaya wala ako natatapos and hindi ako nakapag-edit masyado kasi he's making me feel guilty. No, baby, no. Want all the attention in the world. Gusto niya yung attention ko laging nasa kanya lang. Ganyan siya. Ay, possessive boy. Look at that cute face eh, oh. Ang amo kasi ng mukha niya naman. Oh, naman yan. Diba na? Come on, boy. Okay. Papahinga lang ako. I'm just watching a video. Pinapalit ko yung new video ni Kathleen Lights. And then, eating grapes. Tapos for dinner, I'm gonna cook ribs and then oyster. So may oyster kami kasi binigyan ako ng friend ko si Kate. Yung husband niya pumunta ng somewhere, tapos bumili ng oyster. So binigyan niya ako ng 24 pieces. So tonight, I'm gonna cook 12 pieces. Pang appetizer siya. Tapos yung ribs yung pinaka-food namin. Tapos veggies na lang ganyan. So I'm gonna make that. First time kong magbe-bake ng oyster. Tingnan natin kung magiging successful ba siya. Balikan natin ang mga inaral ko sa school, ano? Feeling like a chef today. Nag-bake ako ng cake, tapos magluluto ako ng ribs, tapos magluto ako ng oyster. Anyway, guys, later ulit. Hi, guys. So, it's around almost 4:30 na yata. So, I have started, and now I am preparing yung ribs, beef na ribs. So, pinapakuluan ko muna siya para maluto yung meat. Tapos, para later, not really marinate. Lalagyan ko siya ng sauce and then, ilalagay ko siya sa oven. And then, kasi ito, ang appetizer naman namin would be this. So, 12 pieces siya. So, lalagyan ko siya ng garlic, cheese, tapos bacon, and then, i-melt ko tong, what do you call it? Margarine or something? Anyway, dapat butter, pero wala kaming butter and I don't wanna go and buy butter pa. So, yan. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and gagawin ko na yung sauce ko for the ribs. Garlic, tapos soy sauce, tomato sauce, then pepper, chili powder, I have oregano, and I have smoked paprika. Yan. Yan yung mga ihahalo ko and then nalagay ko dun sa ribs. Tapos bago ko siya nalagay sa akin. So, ako, mahilig ako yung timpla-timpla lang. This is how the oysters look. Kanina, naubusan ako ng battery. That's it. Now, I'm just gonna pop it sa oven. And then, ito yung aking marinated na ribs. So, lagay ko na siya now. Chef si Mommy today. I see, no? Yung oyster ko kasi parang I need to put it ng mga around 12 minutes yata. So, I'm gonna timer it 15 minutes para ma-remind ako then I'll pop in the oysters. And then the veggies is almost done. Ayan. Just pinaboil ko lang yung corn now. Okay guys, done! Andito na yung aking ribs. There you go. I'll show you. That's my ribs. Tapos, ito yung veggie side dish. And then, Ito na yung yum! Sarap! Sarap. Ipa-plate ko na siya. Alright, come on! Yay! Happy birthday to you! I see, look at that.
I see you. One. I see you. You.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Come here. I just want to sit.
Okay. You're really hungry.
Okay, come on, let's go eat now. Let's eat now. Okay. Blow the candle. Come on, Daddy, take a picture of us blowing the candle. Good. I see. Here. One. Gift. I see. I see.
It's a wild.
I see. Read the message. Baby boy, may you enjoy this special day. I thank God for bringing you into our lives, into this world to keep mommy and daddy company and bring joy to our lives. We love you so much. Love, mommy and daddy. Yeah. Hot dog. A hot dog. $2 lang.
She's cheap ass. Why don't you give me expensive toys, mommy?
Oh, I see. Show daddy you're working out like that. Yeah. You want this? Oh, wait. Daddy, look at him working out, working out, working out. Okay. Lagi? Yeah? Can mommy give you? Oops. Oh boy. Yeah? You like it? Yeah? Like it? Hi guys! Good morning! It is the next day and di na ako nakapag-vlog yesterday because I was so tired. I baked the cake nung morning, tapos nagluto pa ako nung afternoon. So medyo napagod na ako. So nagpahinga na ako straight away after kong linisin yung mga pinaglutuan ko. So today is Monday and I'm about to go to work and I just wanna come here and close this vlog kasi napansin ko yung mga ibang vlogs ko. Since sobrang haba sila, I wasn't able to keep track. So hindi ako nakapag-close nung mga vlogs ko. So, this vlog, I'm gonna go and close this para naman may closing, may outro tayo, no? So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!